Hello, today we'll be making baked tomatoes. A staple of continental breakfast, they also serve as a healthy snack.
These are the ingredients. First of all, take 5 tomatoes and cut each of them into 3 pieces horizontally. Now transfer these to a baking dish. Spread olive oil on the tomatoes. Now sprinkle some salt and pepper on the tomatoes. Top with some garlic seasoning and some mixed herbs. Add some fresh basil. The fresh basil adds a nice flavor and aroma to the baked tomatoes.
Bake the tomatoes at 220 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes.
And the baked tomatoes